Have some cold that we're going to have to deal with.
Trying to get a little sun out there right now, but it's not going to go too far for us this afternoon. We are dealing with some seriously cold wind chills, especially getting into tonight. Let's get right to it and check it out at noontime today down at Chautauqua Lake, Burdess Bay, just to the west of Jamestown, and visibility dropping off here from time to time. Now, keep in mind, we're starting to get into these really cold temperatures, so we're dealing with what's called a really low density snow, and sometimes radar has a difficult time picking that up. So it may be snowing in some places where it's not showing up on the radar view right now, but we do have some scattered lighter snow showers across the region as of the noon hour. In between some of this activity, we're seeing some breaks of sun, at least in some places. Unfortunately, that sun is not going to warm us up this afternoon. In fact, the temperature for the most part has been rock steady all morning long, and it's not going to be going too far for us this afternoon. Now, this is the situation that's shaping up as we get into the overnight. The winds will be increasing even more so getting into the nighttime period, and when temperatures will dip down into the single digits, and with those winds maybe up to 20 to 30 miles per hour toward tomorrow morning, we'll be looking at wind chill values in the negative teens to around minus 20. Please don't forget about the pets out there. I mean, this is rough conditions for us. It's rough for them just as well. You got to keep them indoors, at least in nice warm conditions. As we check out the super microcast as we get into this Tuesday afternoon, some scattered snow showers across the area this afternoon. Maybe some spotty 1 to 2 inch accumulations, but that's really not going to be the big deal here. The big story is going to be the cold and the wind, which will continue to increase into the nighttime period. Considerable blowing and drifting snow, especially in open areas, which is going to make travel difficult at times, and also produce those bitterly cold wind chills will be present with us not only this afternoon but right into the overnight period. Tonight, the snow showers should diminish across the area. The wind direction actually becomes a little bit more southwesterly tomorrow into the Buffalo metro. We have a few patches of open water out here. It's mainly ice covered, but a few patches, so there may be a little moisture input in there, possibly enough to produce a few flurries around the metro tomorrow. Nothing overly significant in terms of snow. However, the bitterly cold temperatures will remain with us with a very strong wind out of the southwest right through Wednesday. In fact, that wind will still be present even on Thursday. We'll have a few scattered snow showers around here. At least temperatures start to moderate a little bit over the weekend, unfortunately with some breezy conditions. 12 degrees at Buffalo right now and Niagara Falls. Toronto's down to 7 above. It's 12 down at Jamestown. At Wellsville, take the winds into account. Those winds cranking up to 18 miles per hour at Jamestown, also at Wellsville now, a 10-mile-per-hour wind speed at Buffalo, which will continue to steadily increase this afternoon, sending the wind chill temperature down to -1 right now, a -5 down at Jamestown and also at Wellsville. The sunset time coming up at 5:38 this afternoon. For the rest of this Tuesday afternoon, it's going to be much colder than yesterday with a nasty wind chill this afternoon. Scattered snow showers, maybe some spotty 1 to 2 inch accumulations. Very windy with some drifting snow, and the temperatures hovering about 10 to 14. For the overnight, very windy, a bitter wind chill, scattered snow showers diminishing, considerable blowing and drifting down to 5 to 10 above by morning. Wind chills into the negative teens by morning, maybe -20 at times. Then tomorrow, bitterly cold, partly to mostly sunny skies, some flurries around the metro, blowing and drifting snow again in open areas, 14 to 17 degrees. On Thursday, partly sunny, chance of a few light snow showers, very cold and rather windy, 15 to 20 degrees. We're up to 25 around here on Friday and all the way up to 35 degrees by Sunday, along with that some snow showers this weekend.
Comparatively, it'll be like spring.
It will seem like a heat wave.
Thank you very much, Mike. Coming up later today on News